你好，我是 Becky. Hello, I am Becky. Welcome to biān vocab, the fun way to expand your Chinese vocabulary. Today, we are going to learn some nouns dealing with directions. Dōng, first tone, means east. Dōng, xī, first tone, means west. Xī, nán, second tone, means south. Nán, běi, third tone, means north. Běi, and we usually add biān as a suffix of the word expressing direction. Dōngbian, east side. Dōngbian, dōngbian, dōngbian. Xībiān, west side. Xībiān, xībiān, xībiān. Nánbiān, south side. Nánbiān, nánbiān, nánbiān. Běibiān, north side. Běibiān, běibiān, běibiān. Please note that in the north part of China, people usually describe a direction with dōngbian, xībiān, nánbiān, běibiān. But in the south part of China, people usually use left or right to express directions, which we will talk about in the next lesson. And you can use the structure A plus 在 plus B 的 plus direction noun to express the direction. Look at the map. 商店在学校的东边. The store is at the east side of the school. Here 在 means at, and we use 的 to connect a modifier and a noun. So we use the structure A 在 B 的 plus direction noun to show that A is located at the certain direction of B. 商店在学校的东边. Hello, I want to rent an apartment. Okay, I have an apartment that gets plenty of sunlight. 阳台在客厅的东边. The balcony is at the east side of the living room. 俄罗斯在中国的北边. Russia is north of China. I really want to travel there. Yes, I would also love to travel there someday. In addition, when place A is inside place B, you can also use the same structure to show place A's location. Look at the map. The swimming pool is inside the school and is at the east side of the school. You can say A plus 在 plus B 的 plus direction noun. 游泳池在学校的东边. The swimming pool is at the east side of the school. Stella, would you like to go swimming with me? 游泳池在学校的东边. 不远. The swimming pool is at the east side of our school, not far from here. Okay, good idea. I haven't had any exercise in a long time. The movie is about to begin. 你在哪儿? Where are you? 我在商场的北边. I'm at the north side of the mall. I'm not able to find the cinema. You are at the wrong location. 电影院在商场的南边. The cinema is at the south side of the mall. Let's read these directional words again. 东边, 西边, 南边, 北边. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Now it's your turn. Upload your recording and tell me where Canada is located in relation to the United States. Leave me a message and don't forget to let me know what topics you want to learn. See you next time. 再见.请问北京大学在哪儿？北京大学在颐和园的东边。Where is Peking University located? Peking University is located at the west side of 颐和园. Peking University is located at the east side of 颐和园. Peking University is located at the south side of 颐和园. Please choose the best answer. Stella, 电影院在商场的北边，是吗？不是，在西边。Where is the cinema located? The cinema is located at the west side of the mall. The cinema is located at the north side of the mall. The cinema is located at the east side of the mall. Please choose the best answer.
Becky, I can't find it. 那家商店在哪儿？那家商店在加油站的北边。Where is the store according to the dialogue? Inside the gas station. On the north side of the gas station. On the south side of the gas station. Please choose the best answer. Becky, 你的新家在哪儿？别提了，我的新家在火车站的东边。I wake up every time a train goes by. Which of the following statements is true according to the dialogue? The railway station is located on the west side of Becky's new apartment. There's a railway station located on the south side of Becky's new apartment. Becky's new apartment is located on the west side of the railway station. Please choose the best answer. I heard that there's a new supermarket near my apartment, but I cannot find it. 你知道它在哪儿吗？我知道。What would she probably say? 那家超市的东西很便宜。那家超市在你家的东边。那家超市不卖衣服。Please choose the best answer.